Hello. Today I'm going to show you an awesome unboxing video by me for you. Today, let me introduce you this product here. Your light. This is a wire rack, wall mounted with light emitter diode, lightning effect, and it comes with a metal. It's a metal surface. The bar shelf with a glass holder, a wall-mounting wine display stand, with a wine rack made out of wood, modern for bars with living room and restaurants. It's on the market, available in 15 to 120 to 80 centimeters, and 20 to 80 to 100 centimeters, and 80 to 20 to 100 centimeters. Wow, this wine rack wall stand measures at 80 to 20 to 100 centimeters and offers a generous storage space for bottles and glasses. The stable metal frame of 15 to 0.7 millimeter in combination with a 12 millimeter chipboard and a nice slam lock makes this wall wine rack ideal as a bottle shelf wall for a living room, for the kitchen, or for the home bar. And we have multiple levels with defined high distances, allows to clear the storage of the wine, spirits, and decoration to glass shelves made of 5 millimeter tempered glass. This creates a visual lightness and makes this metal wine rack and the decoration eye-catcher on the wall. The integrated removable bottle rack of 45.5 to 31.5 to 13 centimeters offers square compartments, 8.5 to 8.5 centimeters, for the line storage due to the flexible construction. The wine rack can be individually adapted to different bottle types. And the integrated RGB LED band with 75 centimeter with an USB connection provides an atmospheric accent, controlled by button, or you can control it by an app, with 7 colors and several modes. That's ideal as a wine rack with an LED or a wine rack with a lightning for modern living concepts. The lower glass holder, 60.1 centimeters, allows the proper hanging of the wine glasses. This combination of wine glass holder and the bottle shelf metal saves the space and the perfect for the kitchen, for the living room, and the bar of the restaurants. And the removable bottle rack is ideal for shorter bottles. For longer bottles, of course, we should recommend removing the bottle of racks. And then, of course, we have a foldable wine rack. This is a great storage solution that also looks really nice. That's the perfect gift for families and friends. Cheers to the life, full of unforgettable moments at home, in a bar, or of course we're going to like a wine rack like that here. This is the Your Light wine rack. It's wall mounted. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe me and give me a positive feedback. And I hope to see you again on my channel. Dun-dun!